Slinkies are definitely a fun, inexpensive product that have been entertaining children for many decades. With their fun styles and colours and materials that they're made of, they certainly are a very interesting product. So when I heard that I could get myself the world's smallest Slinky, I jumped at the opportunity to give it a check out to see what it's like. And this is it. Definitely thought I'd need a magnifying glass to give it a look, but surprisingly this is the world's smallest Slinky, according to this company at least. So what we're going to be doing is checking out a few things. I know with the normal size Slinkies that they tend to get mixed up and jumbled very easily, so we'll give that a look. This one says that it actually works, so we'll check that out. And it also says that it's hazardous for children under 3, so we'll check that out as well. Hang on a second, I'm getting a phone call. Hey lawyer buddy, how are you? Yeah, good. So we can't check that the Slinkies are dangerous for children under 3 and they could choke on them? Oh, is that right? Okay. Yep. No worries then. Okay, thanks for that. So we're not going to check if it's a choking hazard for children under 3, but I guess we can at least check the other 2 things, or the few things that we had to look at. So we'll open up first, just to give it a look. Now, unfortunately, the knife wasn't anything I could find to open it with at the moment. I'm sure scissors are around somewhere, but this will have to do. It's reasonably easy to open, so that's not too bad. There we are. So this is the world's smallest Slinky. I do have a few books that I can set up. Wings of Fire are fire. So we'll check it out and just see if it can go down these stairs first. That was one of the things that Slinkies used to be able to do very well, is go downstairs. So let's have a look. Well, it didn't really work, but hey, look, we'll adjust it and see if we can get it to go down a few more stairs. Cool. So far, not working out very great. Maybe if we start it off a little bit first. Oh, I've got the phone here. I'll maybe stack on top of that and see if we can get a bit more sort of height. Well, so far, world's smallest Slinky is failing. Let's see if I've got something that I can make it fall from a higher height. There we go, the Wings of Fire box. Get another couple books just to stack next to it. This will be the last test of this one, just to see if it does anything that it says it does. Well, I mean, it doesn't really slink downstairs, so that's the first issue with this one. So that's one thing it fails to do, is do what the old Slinkies did and crawl downstairs. So next thing what we'll do is we'll see if this one gets tangled very easily, because that was another thing that the older Slinkies did, was they got tangled very easily. So let's give it a few spins around and give it a bit of a look. I know the metal ones generally didn't tangle very difficultly, so hopefully general use and general play seems to be okay. Doesn't seem to want to tangle up very much. Wrap it around my hand a few times just to see. And there we go. So as you can see, that's now tangled up. And it seems to bend out of shape very well. So, world's smallest Slinky is world's biggest rubbish.